Direct-to-creditor disputes are better. Consumers have been trained for decades to review their credit reports for accuracy. Then, when a mistake is found, to lodge a dispute with the credit bureaus directly. In some cases today, it might be necessary to write each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Fortunately, all SmartCredit memberships come with the power of patented action buttons, the easiest and most efficient means for direct-to-creditor disputes. Why SmartCredit's action buttons are better. Writing to 3 different credit bureaus could take weeks for processing time and result in 3 varying interpretations of your disputes. Processing a dispute is much simpler and faster with SmartCredit's action buttons. Permanent results. Say you mail the credit bureaus a dispute letter with proof you made the payment on time. The credit bureau then removes the late fee based on your proof. Good news, except the creditor never fixed the records. Communicating directly to the creditor with action buttons fixes the problem directly at the source. Automation is not your friend. When you write to the credit bureaus, their employees, in a matter of minutes, will typically condense that long letter you spent hours perfecting and detailing a mistake into a few codes. By disputing directly to the creditor, you get your dispute outside of the unhuman automation and into the hands of real people who will get your real dispute. It is always better to go directly to the source. Sign up for SmartCredit today and leverage the power of action buttons.